How to recommend a video on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimol from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually recommend a video on TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So this is actually a really new feature from TikTok itself, that you can actually recommend a video to others. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, head over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box you have to type in TikTok, and then go ahead and simply update the TikTok app to the latest version and ensure that you are actually using the latest version. After we've updated TikTok, I'm going to open TikTok, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So go ahead and simply make sure that you are also logged into your account. Once you are logged in, what you can do is you can see this is how it is going to look like. And let's say that I want to recommend this video to others on TikTok. What I can do is, from the bottom right, you can tap on this arrow icon, which is definitely the share icon. So tap on that arrow button right over here, and right here at the top left you'll be able to see a button called Repost. Now in your case it could also be written as recommend. For some users it could be written as recommend this videos. For some reason it could be written as repost. What you can do is simply tap on this repost button or this recommend button, and you can see you have actually reposted video. You can see share while you actually reposted this video. You can go ahead and repeat the same procedure for other videos as well. You can tap on the repost or recommend button, and then you can see it will actually be reposted right over here. As a result, it is also going to be recommended as well right on the screen. You can go ahead and simply repeat the process for all of the videos to which you want to recommend on TikTok. This was the way on how you could very easily recommend videos on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.